Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So this is kind of interesting. This is the Cortez Bridge webcam from just after midnight. And you can look at the second and third light poles down the road there, and it doesn't look too terribly bad. Then watch the fog roll in, and boy, everything just really kind of gets obscured there for a while this morning. And then things kind of clear out with time, and we're left with a little bit more sunshine as we head into the afternoon. But that fog will linger a little bit longer out in the waters than it will over land. So the Futurecast, taking it through time, kind of shows a little bit of that cloud cover, and low-hanging fog cloud cover kind of just lying over the Gulf waters. It's not widespread, but it's out there, that sea fog, and it will linger a little bit longer, so boaters pay attention to that. Otherwise, we're getting into the sunshine over land today, and by 3 o'clock this afternoon, I think there'll be plenty of sunshine around over land, while there's still a little bit of patchy fog out over Gulf waters, but none of it really producing any rainfall, so that's not a big problem. That fog will last through this evening, I think, in places out in the Gulf. And then as we head into the overnight, we'll start to see the fog kind of spread out over land as well. And it'll be another kind of foggy start to the morning tomorrow. And I expect that we'll probably have another similar morning to what we saw this morning. And so we'll probably call for another first alert weather morning tomorrow for your commute. So it'll be a little bit longer commute for you as you leave a little bit earlier, just so you're not pressed for time and you can ease up off that gas pedal and, you know, use those low beam headlights, everything you're supposed to do to stay safe out on our roadways in fog. This is fog season. Then as we head into Thursday afternoon, I think we'll probably start to get a little bit more sunshine through the breaks in the fog and the lifting fog and the clouds, but we'll also start to work in a chance of some showers. And those showers will probably increase in number on Friday as we head especially into the second half of the afternoon, and a line of showers develops out in Gulf waters. Those showers will be gradually drifting closer and closer, and it'll probably be a first alert weather night as we head into Friday. And a frontal boundary gets a little bit closer to the state and moves through. Winds will pick up a little bit, a few scattered showers around, maybe a thunderstorm or two. As that front moves through, winds will whip to the north and some colder air will filter in time for the weekend. Right now, no such cold air around. We're looking at warm temperatures across the entire state. 70s most everywhere across the state, except along the immediate coastlines up in the Panhandle and over around Daytona. Otherwise, we're looking at 72 degrees in Tampa, 75 in Fort Myers, 76 in Mayaca, in Arcadia, 77 in Venice, Sarasota at 75, 75 in Bradenton, 73 in Parrish. Not a lot of rainfall locally, despite the fact that we have that lingering little bit of cloud cover, particularly out over Gulf waters. We do have some showers to the north of us. There's a trough of low pressure located along the eastern seaboard. There's also one kind of meandering out in the Gulf as well. But locally, we're not looking at any kind of real big rainfall potential today. Maybe during the overnight, might get a little bit of patchy drizzle, but that's about it. 75 current air temperature. Dew point is at 66. Winds are calm, but we continue to watch a developing area of low pressure kind of advance toward the state, and a couple of areas of troughiness out in Gulf and Atlantic waters. This first frontal boundary approaches us by Friday night, and that kicks up our wind speeds. It'll eliminate the fog problem probably Friday morning, but it will bring in some cooler weather for the weekend. East-northwest wind shifting at about 5 knots. Not a bad boating day, except for the fact that you've got that fog out there. So 77 today, mix of sun and clouds this afternoon. Tomorrow, 20% chance of showers, fog developing during the morning. Then on Friday, we start off sunny, cloud up in the afternoon, work in that 50% chance of showers, and it gets breezy. High temperatures still warm. The front moves through, and the rest of the weekend and into our Monday holiday looks a lot colder. Back to you.